You may have seen me use this in many of my recipes throughout social media, and now I'm finally gonna share it with you. It is versatile and it is super easy to make.
The first thing you wanna do is melt a little butter.
Now here is simple. You just wanna do it low and slow. You do not want high heat, just enough to get this fat rendered down so that you can add the other ingredients. Now you can turn off that heat and add in a little cayenne pepper. Get that infused into that butter to create a nice base. And next, we're gonna add in the ketchup. That's gonna give it a nice umami flavor infused inside. And then of course, the mayo. Once the mayo is added, you wanna take your time. Take your time to really mix and infuse that together and to blend all those ingredients together so they can begin to take shape. Next, add in your onion powder, infuse that in, and on top of that, add in the sugar. Now you just wanna mix that all in, get a nice, really good blend, and finally, the smoked paprika. Now this does not take a lot of time here. Once you smooth that together and add in some of the final ingredients, which of course is your garlic powder. And as you see, this is coming together really smooth.
Now once you got that mixed up real good, you'll notice it start to have a nice creaminess to it, but we're not done yet because you want to really have that really silky smooth consistency. Now, as you'll see in the description below, I use House of Flavors Kickin' Barbecue because of that rich, incredible flavor that it just elevates and makes the yum yum sauce a bit more savory versus what you will see when you go out. So I'll put about 2 tablespoons in there, and then I'll mix that in there, and it'll help the consistency. It'll make it nice color. You'll get like almost that orangish color, and it is amazing. And if you've seen my other social media accounts on Instagram and TikTok, you can read the comments. I mean, people love this stuff, and it's healthier because you're making it at home. Now the final step to this, in order to make that consistency exactly how we want it, is you just want to take a little bit of water, and of course I'll put all the exact measurements down below for you. You want to put a little bit of water in there, and what that water does is you'll notice it brings that consistency to perfection. Look at that, that's exactly how you want that to be. And what I didn't realize is that it has so many other uses. So from bourbon chicken bowls, the pineapple bowls, with other type of teriyaki rice. I use it on sushi. I've used this on so much more, shrimp fried rice, anything fusion food. That you want that extra creaminess. Even on cheeseburgers, you can use it at the bottom of the bun, put your cheeseburgers and layer it down. There's so many uses. So you want to store this in a nice container inside the refrigerator. And there you go. So I hope you enjoy this. Make this at home and thank me later. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. If you have something that you add to yours that I didn't mention, share it with everybody so we can see it. Other than that, I'm Chef Miguel. Thank you for joining the page. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, check out my other videos, and I will see you soon.